Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community. Today, we're diving into a really fascinating topic: how local laws differ between states. Laws can vary dramatically from one state to another in the US. And understanding these differences is crucial for everyone, whether you're a resident, a traveler, or just a curious mind. So, let's get started. Now, you might be wondering, why do these local laws vary so much between states? What influences these differences? Well, let's break it down together. First off, it's essential to understand that the United States operates under a federal system. This means that power and authority are divided between the national government and the individual states. Each state has its own constitution, legislative body, executive branch, and judiciary, which allows it to create and enforce its own laws. As a result, what's legal in one state might be illegal in another. Let's take a look at some key areas where state laws differ significantly. 1. Criminal laws. One of the most notable areas of divergence is in criminal law. For example, marijuana laws vary widely. In states like Colorado and California, recreational marijuana is legal, while in states like Idaho and Nebraska, it remains strictly illegal. This discrepancy can lead to confusion for travelers and residents alike. According to a 2021 Gallup poll, over 68% of Americans support legalization, yet the patchwork of state laws remains complex. 2. Gun control. Gun laws are another area where states have vastly different regulations. For instance, states like Texas have very permissive gun laws, allowing open carry and relatively easy access to firearms. In contrast, states like New York have stricter regulations, requiring permits for handguns and restrictions on assault weapons. The National Rifle Association and various advocacy groups have played significant roles in shaping these laws. 3. Marriage laws. The laws surrounding marriage can also be quite different. While same-sex marriage is legal nationwide due to the 2015 Supreme Court ruling, some states still have various laws that affect marriage. For instance, in some states like Massachusetts, you can marry at 18 without parental consent. Meanwhile, in Mississippi, individuals can marry at 21 without parental consent, but must wait until they're 18 with parental consent. 4. Business regulations. If you're thinking of starting a business, regulations differ. States like Delaware are friendly to businesses, with low taxes and a streamlined incorporation process. Conversely, states with stricter regulations like California might impose additional requirements around labor laws, environmental regulations, and taxes, which can impact the overall ease of doing business. 5. Education laws. States control their own education systems, leading to vast differences in school funding, curriculum standards, and policies. For instance, some states have adopted Common Core standards. This means that a student in a California public school might learn different material than a student in a Texas public school, affecting their preparedness for college and beyond. 6. Traffic laws. Lastly, traffic laws. For example, in some states, you can turn right on red, while in others, it's strictly forbidden. Moreover, speed limits can differ. In Texas, for instance, you can find speed limits as high as 85 miles per hour on certain highways, while in New York, the maximum speed limit is typically 65 miles per hour. So, to sum it all up, local laws differ dramatically. Understanding these differences helps us navigate life more effectively. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.